Join us on Storybook Land Canal boats. Come on, everybody.
Morning, everybody. Welcome here to Storybook Land and the Board of Merryweather. My name is Ellie, and I'll be your storyteller for today. Well, today we'll be going to visit the fairy tale settings of some of Walt Disney's classic motion pictures. But to get there, we'll have to pass through the jaws of the giant whale monster. Not to worry though, because Pinocchio and Geppetto were trapped inside here. We worked hard to make sure that this will become our very special entrance into a magical place called Storybook Land. And then coming up to our left-hand side is the cave of the Big Bad Wolf. Now, if you remember, he's the one that huffed and puffed and flew down the homes of the three little pigs who live across the way. Right, there's the house made of straw, the house made of sticks, and of course, the house made of wolf-proof bricks. Just beyond this bridge and off to our left is the English villager Alice lives. Now their home is the one all the way at the far end with the thatched roofs. And if you follow the cobblestone pathway through the center of her village, you might just find the Rabbitola Alice Doctor. She began her adventures in Wonderland. This hard. The very same part that Wendy, Michael, and John Darling flew over when they followed Peter Pan and Tinkerbell to Neverland. Directly ahead of us there, that's Agrabah, city of mystery and enchantment. Oh, just directly below the Sultan's palace there is a marketplace where once upon a time a street rat named Aladdin not only stole a loaf of bread, but the heart of those princesses as well. Well, we're now passing under the rose-covered archways that provided the romantic setting for Aladdin and Princess Jasmine when they took their magic carpet ride over, sideways, and under. We are just about to enter the Cave of Wonders. The very scene came for Aladdin and his friend the Bear discovered timeless treasures, priceless jewels, and of course, a magic lamp complete. Or there's Cinderella, who wished that she could go to the ball. Well, she grew up across the way and after our left in the chateau over there with her wicked stepmother and two evil stepsisters. But guess what? Wishes do come true because she not only made it to the ball, but she now lives in that beautiful pink and gold castle at the top of the hill. Happily ever after with her prince. Hello, this place. This living Patrick quilt is comprised of over 40 different desert flowers and cactus blooms, and was inspired by the Walt Disney Symphony, Follow My Land. Coming up onto our left-hand side is Toad Hall, home to Mr. Toad from the Wind in the Willows. Just beyond the host is the magical kingdom of Arendelle, where sisters Elsa and Anna first grew up. As she grew older, Elsa, afraid of that magic adventure, ran away to the mountains above, where she built that magnificent ice palace. She later did return back down to Arendelle, though, realizing the importance of sisterly love. Big summer blowout! So if you turn towards the Alpine Village where Pinocchio lives, and it was in that wood carving shop there in the front that Geppetto wanted the sun so badly he carved it out of wood. Yes, there we are. And if you take a look through the waterfall off to your left, you might just catch a glimpse of King Triton's underwater kingdom.
I hope you enjoyed riding along on Storybook Land's canal boats, one of Disneyland's original attractions.